Think I'm so special, but you're Umar. No. What makes you think that your dua is less than my dua? You're the one with the haja. فَالْحَاجَةُ لَكَ. It's your issue. It's your concern. It's your need. So make dua for yourself. And that's one of the fiqh that you learn from that hadith of the Prophet ﷺ, where he says, as is narrated by Imam Muslim, that the one who makes dua for his brother without his brother knowing, بِظَهْرِ الْغَيْبِ, without his brother knowing, then Allah sends an angel and says, Ameen, your dua is accepted for your brother. It wasn't interchanged in that way where you said, oh, this person is holier than me, better than me, they're more likely that their dua is answered than me. La. But when someone remembers you in their heart and they think kindly of you and they make dua for you without you knowing, then their dua is answered on your behalf. Look at Umar radiallahu anhu. Look how much he attached people to Allah and not to personalities. Look how he centered the focus on the tawheed of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. وَإِذَا سَأَلَكَ عِبَادِي عَنِّي فَإِنِّي قَرِيبٌ. Here Allah doesn't say قُلْ. In hundreds and hundreds of places in the Quran is full of قُلْ. Tell them I am near. No, not here. Don't tell them, Ya Muhammad. I am near. You don't need to be an intermediary between me and them, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. So there's many misconceptions, inshallah, that we wish to clarify. Now for many of you, I hope I see a lot of you